Next thing we're going to do is simply come over down here to Permalinks. Permalinks are basically how your WordPress website URLs appear in the browser. So once you have your pages set to post name, they will show up the page name over here in the URL. If you change this from post name to, let me say, like plain, it will show a plain or the page ID in the URL. Now this looks funny and it's not good for search engines, but let me show how this looks like. When I simply select this and then save changes, now when I click, for example, on the about page, we realize that at the moment we're having the about page name showing in the URL. But when you change to the plain text, this is how it's going to look like. It will show the page ID in the URL section of your browser. Just something like this: portfolio, services. And you don't want to have something of that sort in the URL. So you simply have to come back to your permalink settings and then come here and select the post name to show the page name or the post name in the URL section. Now once that is updated, when we come back here to our website, and then let me say we select the contact page, automatically now we'll be having our contact page name showing up in the address bar.